In this very video, we are going to look at how to place pending orders. Alright, placing pending orders is the same as placing an order. In fact, pending order is an instruction to open a position when the current price reaches the order level. Let me take that again. Pending order is an instruction to open a position when the current price reaches the order level. Entering a pending order is similar to placing a market order. We'll do that soon, but let me just explain further for us to have an introduction into the pending orders. A pending order allows traders, or allows us, to buy and sell currency pairs or other tradable instruments at a predefined price in the future. This type of order is used to execute a trade. If price reaches the predefined level, the order will not be filled or placed if price does not reach this level. That is the only thing that is associated with this type of orders. When the price does not reach the price at which the order is placed, of course it can't place it. The pending order is also in the order window. It is found in the type drop down menu. Alright, so let's look at pending orders in practical terms now. So let's find the order menu. The order menu is found here. Click on new order. It brings us to the order window, and to place pending orders we come to type. So when we click on the drop down, we will now pick pending order here. Alright, so you can see here pending order. So these are the areas for pending order. Okay, I'm just going to teach you the simplest way of using this pending order. So for example, we want to place a trade, but we don't want to place the trade instantly. We want to place the trade in advance at a particular price, so that if the price reaches there, it can place the trade automatically on our behalf. For example, let's say a broker sends you signals, leads. All you need to do is to use pending orders to place those trades at those particular levels that what the broker will be sending you, or from any signal provider. You don't need to wait till the price gets there before you place the trade. You just have to use pending orders, and you can actually place trade using pending orders, and then they will execute it whether you are there or not. That is what makes forex trading interesting and more friendly. Alright, so let's look at it. For example, this AUD USD. Let's say for instance this support here, let's say when the price here reaches here, it will continue to sell, but at that time we may not be sitting to see it breaking the support for us to enter a trade, but we will love to trade this very pair on a sell trend. In that case, what we have to do is to place a pending order at this price. Alright, there are two types of pending orders. I will explain it soon. So let's go back there to the pending order page. So we come to new order, and then it brings us to the order window. Then we come to type here. We'll see market execution, but we want pending order. So we click on this drop down menu, and then we click on pending order. So here we are. Now, since we are expecting a sell, and we want to sell, what we have to do here is to select sell stop. Here, sell stop. Click on sell stop. So all the pending orders that you'll be placing for sales, for the sales, for the sell trends, you will choose sell stop. You will choose sell stop. And all those that you'll be placing for a buy trend, you will choose buy stop. So let's first deal with the sell stop for a sell trend, or for a sell position, which is the same as a short position. Alright, so we already know the price at which we want to place our pending order. So this is our predefined price that we would love to sell. Okay, so let's enter the price. You just highlight here, and then let's enter the price. It's 0.73553. Alright, so once that is done, we can place our pending order by clicking. Right. Okay, let me take off this. So this is the pending order. You will see it placed as though it were a direct market execution. It's the same, but now it is not running. This trade is not running now. It's pending. That is why it's pending order. So you will see it below the trade tab, or the terminal. Inside the terminal, you will see it below the balance, equity, and all that. Okay, so here we are. This one, the highlighted one here, this one, you'll see its ticket here. The order ticket is the same thing. Everything is the same. The time at which the pending order is placed, the type of order, which is sell stop, that is a sell order, the volume, that is the amount, and then the symbol of the pair, the price at which this price which we entered, and then the rest. And this is the current price, which is the bid price. This is the current price, which is the bid price. All right, so now we have what? Our pending order. How does this pending order work? This is a sell stop. We can equally say a sell pending order. So for this trade to start trading, this price here will have to come and hit it. Immediately the current price hits this price here, it will automatically start trading. So it will move from here to here, and we won't see it here anymore. All right, let's demonstrate that. Let's just take it closer to it. Okay, let's put it here. All right, so let's watch. If it's getting closer, then it will show the price in this green. So let's just have a little, let's just take a bit of time to see how it works. Immediately this price touches it, then it will place the order. So it will move from the pending and come here and come and join these ones. So whether you are there or not, it is going to take the trade for you. So what it means is that the MT4 can equally place trades for you. All you have to do is to set them at various prices, and immediately the price touches it or reaches it, it will automatically place the trade for you. When you place pending orders, the system also allows you to place stop losses and take profit. All right, so let's do that on this particular trade. Here we have stop loss here, and since this is a sell trade, our stop loss will have to be what? Up. So let's say we're placing the stop loss. Good. So we can see that that trade has been placed. Here it is, because it has, the price has reached it. Don't bother about it not being somewhere here. Immediately the price touches it, it takes the trade. It's so fast. It is very fast. So now that pending order has placed what? The trade at the price that what? We have placed it. Alright, so that is how the pending order works, and this is for the sale. So the same way you can place your stop losses. You know, in the previous tutorials we learned how to place stop losses and take profit, so it's easy. So all we need to do is to look at it. Okay, is this one? We highlight it, and then we double click, and then we come here, and then let's put a stop loss here at 0.73885, and let's put a take profit, say here 0.736, sorry, 3530, and then we click modify. So we have our stop loss here, and then we have our take profit here. But still, I want us to look at the pending order. All right, so that was the pending order for a sell stop. Let's look at pending order for a buy stop. So you want to place, let's look at this. So here we are expecting the USD JPY to rise, for the price to rise. So let's say when it breaks this resistance, it will continue to buy, but the time at which it will break this we do not know, and we may not be there, but we want to place a buy trade on this. All we need to do is to use pending orders. So we go to new order, and then we come to the type here, we change to pending orders. On the type here, the type that we want is buy stop. The buy stop is for the buys. We highlight here, and then we punch in what? This price here, 114.2 0.098. All right, and then we place our pending order. So straightforward, you'll see that our pending order is here. Our pending order is here. All right, sorry, let me take off this. All right, so now we have placed what? A pending order. So you'll see that it's below what? This balance here. You'll see that. So it's awaiting. It's pending. All right, let's give it a stop loss and take profit. Okay, let's use a higher time frame so that it will be easier. Okay, so to place a stop loss for a buy stop, you just double click here, or you right click and click modify or delete order, and then you'll see stop loss here. All right, since it's a buy stop, let's say our stop loss will be here. Should it pick it and want to reverse, when it come to this price, it should stop it. So that is 113.360. Once you punch in this, you can just modify. Then let's also place a take profit order. Let's give it a take profit. So let's place the take profit at this price, 114.60, 114.360. Then we click modify, and immediately it is placed. So we have here $4, and then we have here 12.97. all right, so this is cents. This is 2 cents trade, that is why. So we can actually also increase the take profit if we like from here. Right, let's go to a higher time frame so that we'll have more space to work with. Okay, so let's say here. All right, so here we have our stop loss, and then here we have our take profit. But you'll find out that this trade is not yet trading here. It is still pending until the price reaches here where our pending order is placed. It will not move. It won't move. But immediately it touches it, it will what? Take it. It will automatically take it. It will automatically take it. So this is how you set a buy stop, or this is how you set a buy trade for pending. That is why it's called pending orders. All right, let's try another one. Let's try another one. Let's see. All right, so for example, this is Euro GBP. If we want to place a pending order, we can see the trend is moving down, but we cannot be sure if it will break this support and continue to sell. So but we would love to sell. So what we have to do is to locate the price, say here, so that when immediately it breaks this support and is going down, we will go with it. So let's say we want to place a pending order at this price. all we need to do is go to new order, and then we come to you have to actually also select how much you want to invest, how much you want to risk. So let's say here $10. You make your decision here as to how much you want to invest, and then you come here to market type, that is type, you pick pending order, and the pending order type you pick sell stop because it's for a sell. You highlight here and you key in the price here, 0.83870, and then you place your trade. You can finish placing your stop loss and your take profit before placing the trade, or you can place the trade after, then you place. So let's place, okay, and then let's remove this horizontal line here. So we have placed another pending order for Euro GBP. Alright, so now we want to place stop losses and then take profit. So let's set our stop loss and take profit. So let's say we can say, should it pick it and try to reverse, we'll set the stop loss, say at this price. So let's say 0.84375, and our take profit, let's take a higher time frame. Our take profit will be at 0.83580, and then we modify. So you'll find out that we have our take profit here 375, and we have what, our stop loss also what here, and we can say, okay, let the take profit be say 1000, right? You can see there 1010.24 US dollars, and then our risk, our stop out, or our stop loss is 654.06 dollars. All right, you'll find out that this trade is here. It's not yet trading like these ones, but immediately the price touches this price, it will automatically pick the trade for us, whether we are there or not. And when it reaches here, take profit, it will take the profit. If it touches here and it takes the trade, and then the trend reverses against our position and is going against us up to here where we are comfortable, what we are ready to lose, it will stop it so that we don't incur more losses. So when you use pending orders, it doesn't matter whether you are there or not, the system will work for you. The system works for you. So if you are giving indicators, if you are giving signals, leads, all you need to do is to use pending orders to key them in and put all the stop losses and the take profits, and then you leave it, and it will work by itself for you. You don't have to do anything. Let's look for another example. All right, so let's say this Euro Russian ruble is now selling. and we speculate that it will later buy at a later date, say at this price, and we don't know when, and probably we are expecting that when it starts to buy from here, it may reach here, to buy from here to here. So all we need to do is to set our pending orders now. Alright, so how do we do that? We come to new order, alright, let's get a different instrument. Let's get a different instrument. Let's say let's take gold. Let's take, alright, so let's say gold versus the US dollar, and then let's say later in the day or later on, we are expecting the price to rise. Say from here, it will start from here, start rising from here to say here. Alright, and we want to take advantage of this, but we don't know when it will start and when it will end. So what we have to do, since we can't be sitting waiting for it, then we have to use pending orders. So we come to new order, we come here. Before even here, we have to select, we have to make a decision as to how much we want to invest. This, let's say I want to invest $30, which is 3, and then I come here. The order type is pending order, so the pending order type again, since we're placing for a buy, we take buy stop. Okay, so we highlight here and we punch this price, because that is the price at which we want to start trading this very pair. So it's 1241.53. Alright, and then this is where we are expecting to take profit. That is 1269, 1269.58. Alright, and let's say our stop loss will be at this price here. Let me use the horizontal line here to show it's a, okay, let's say this price, right? So we punch in stop loss with that price 1226.16. so you find out now we've placed here the entry price, and then we've placed our stop loss, which is this price here, and then our take profit, which is this price here. So then we place our pending orders. Okay, so now let's remove these horizontal lines that help us to place or to locate the actual prices. Alright, So this is the pending order for the okay, let's scroll up. So this is it. This is it here, gold versus the US dollar. So we placed it here at this price, awaiting that this price will reach here, and when it reach here, it will take the trade and run it till it comes to take the profit here at 8,415 US dollars, which is 2,805 pips. All right, so this type of trading is like for the long term, and then we are ready to also lose $4,611, and we are ready to take a profit of $8,415. But as at now, this trade is still what? Pending. So basically this is how you set up the pending orders, be it a sells, which is sell stop, or be it a buy, which is buy stop. The process is the same. All you need to do is just to be patient with it, and then you will be able to place pending orders accurately. Pending orders are best used when you receive signals or you get leads, or if your indicators are yet to be matured and you could see that, or maybe you just not sure of how quick your indicators will mature, but you really want to trade those particular pairs when the indicators do mature. All you need to do is to use pending orders to pre-define a price and place the orders, and then the system will do the rest. The system will pick the trade, take the profit, or take or stop the loss. You don't need to be there before it takes the trade. You don't need to be there before it stops the loss. You don't need to be there before it takes the profit. So this system is very, very friendly and easy to use. All you need to do is to practice and keep practicing, and you can watch these videos over and over and over, and you can send us your queries, and we will be more than glad to respond to them as soon as possible. I believe this will help you in your trading career in the short term and in the long term. Thank you.